Good morning, class. Today I will teach you chapter 4, parts of a computer. Okay, student? Now, can you wave your arms? Yes. Can you wave your arms? Like this. This is your arm. Now you have to say hello. Yes, you have to say hello. Okay, now student, did you notice that you use your arm and hand to wave like this. Okay, now hand to wave like, and your mouth to speak, I can see that your body has different parts. I can see that your body has different parts like eyes, nose, lips, hands, cheeks, chin, hair, legs, etc. Do the eyes and ear have the same function? Tell me. Do the eyes and ear have the same function? Yes, eyes and ear the same function? No. All these body parts perform different function. Now look at the computer body parts. Now take, this is computer. Just like a human. Computer has also different parts which have their own functions. The main parts of computers are CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse. We can also connect printer and speaker, also a computer. These parts together make up the computer system. I repeat again, these parts together make up the computer system. All parts make up the computer system. This is monitor. The monitor of a computer is like a television. Look at here. This is look like a television. Monitor look like a television and display the work of the computer. We can watch movies, cartoons on monitor. CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. Do you know? This is the picture of CPU. CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of a computer. It is the black box connect to the computer. It is the black box connect with the computer. Just like brain control entire body, the same CPU control the all computer. The same CPU is control the all parts. We can say CPU is the brain of computer. In fact, without CPU, the computer work not even start. In fact, without the CPU, the computer work not even start. CPU के बिना आपका कंप्यूटर बिल्कुल भी स्टार्ट नहीं हो सकता. इसलिए CPU is the most important part of computer. So the computer is brain of computer. How do you dial a number on mobile phone or use a calculator? Do you see the mobile? You have seen the mobile. Yes, this is phone. This is mobile. You have to press keys on a keyboard pad to type the numbers. Look at here. Here are numbers. Now you have to dial the number. You have, this is the keypad of mobile. Similarly, to type letters and numbers on the computer, we need a keyboard. We need a keyboard. This is keyboard, and keyboard is a part of a computer. The keyboard is used for this. It has different keys that perform various functions. This is the picture of mouse. The mouse is pointing device that allow to you point and click anywhere on the monitor screen. Look at here. You have to click anywhere on the mouse. It is point out the things. It is consist of two buttons and a scroll wheel. Look at here. This is left button and right button and scroll wheel. The mouse pointer is an arrow on the monitor screen like this. The mouse can also be used to draw the pictures. When you write a letter to your friend on a computer, but if you want, you can print the letter and get a hard copy of your work by using a printer. With speakers, the computer can turn into a music system, and you can listen to your favorite music on it. So you see how the different parts of a computer work together to do the work, just like the different parts of the body work together to make its function. Now student, this is the parts of computer. Now mainly four parts of computer: monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. Mainly four parts of a computer. Okay student. Now student, this is your hyperlink book. This is your computer book. Okay. And student, this is your chapter number 4. Parts of a computer. So chapter number 4 is parts of a computer. Now I will read the chapter. Okay. Now look at here. A human, human, body, body, is made, up, off, different, different, parts. Now a human body is made up of different parts. I and N, the, SAME, same, WAY, COMPUTER, computer, ALSO, also, HAS, has, MANY, many, PARTS, parts, WHICH, which, MAKES, makes, IT, it, a MACHINE, machine. The main PARTS parts, OFO, a COMPUTER, computer, ARER, monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, and this one is printer. Look at here, this is monitor and MONITOR, monitor. A monitor looks like a television. जो मॉनिटर होता है वो एक टेलीविज़न की तरह दिखाई देता है. CAN SEEC movies, AND CARTOONS cartoons, on a monitor. It means we can see, हम लोग देख सकते हैं मूवीज़ को एंड कार्टून्स को मॉनिटर पर. ओके, नाउ IT it, SHOWS show, USS THE the, WORK work, DONE done, O and on, a COMPUTER computer. It means it show us the work done on a computer. जितना भी वर्क हमने किया होता है कंप्यूटर पर वो हमें कब कहाँ पर शो आउट होता है, वो हमें मॉनिटर पर शो आउट होता है. हम अगर टाइपिंग करते हैं, हमने लेटर टाइप किया है तो वो सब हमें कहाँ पर दिखाई देगा, वो सब हमें मॉनिटर पर दिखाई देगा. इट शो अस द वर्क डन ऑन अ कंप्यूटर. ओके, नाउ योर नेक्स्ट वन इज CPU. नाउ CPU का फुल फॉर्म होता है सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. CPU full form Central Processing Unit. This is CPU. A CPU is the brain of a computer. A CPU is the brain of computer. IT it, LOOKS looks, LIKE like, a BOX box. IT it, HELPS helps, a COMPUTER computer, TO2 THINK think, AND DO WORK work, ACCORDING according, TO2 THE the, GIVEN given, ORDER order. Okay, now it means a CPU is the brain of computer. इसका मतलब जो CPU होता है वो brain of computer होता है, कंप्यूटर का दिमाग होता है CPU. विदाउट CPU के कोई भी कंप्यूटर के जो जितने भी पार्ट्स हैं वो वर्क नहीं कर सकते हैं. इट लुक लाइक अ बॉक्स. ये जो CPU होता है वो एक बॉक्स की तरह शो आउट होता है, वो बॉक्स की तरह दिखाई देता है. इट हेल्प अ कंप्यूटर टू थिंक एंड डू वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन ऑर्डर. जितना भी काम उसे आप देते हो वो सब वर्क जो है वो कंप्यूटर CPU से ही होता है. ठीक है, जितना भी काम आपने किया है वो सारा का सारा जो वर्क है वो सब CPU से होता है. ठीक है, नाउ यू हैव टू गिवन ऑर्डर. आप ऑर्डर करेंगे, जो भी आप ऑर्डर करेंगे, लाइक आप ड्राइंग करेंगे, लाइक आप लेटर्स को टाइप करेंगे, वो सारा का सारा जो काम है वो सब CPU में होता है. ओके, नाउ KEYBOARD कीबोर्ड. A keyboard has many keys on it. These keys are used TO2 TYEP type, LETTERS letters, WORDS words, NUMBERS numbers, AND SPECIAL special, CHARACTERS characters. A keyboard has many keys on it. A keyboard के जो होती है उसमें बहुत सारी कीज़ बनी होती हैं. These keys are used to type numbers. अगर हमें कुछ नंबर्स को टाइप करना है, yes, look at here. अगर हमें कुछ नंबर्स को टाइप करना है तो we have pressed these button, and now this is alphabetically key. Look at here. इस कीज पर अल्फ़ाबेटिकली ऑर्डर भी लिखे होते हैं. Look at here. This is the picture of mouse. and IT it HAS has TWO2 ORO THREE3 BUTTONS buttons. IT it HELPS helps us TO2 DRAW draw PIC TURES pictures. IT it ALSO also POINTS points AT ITEMS items on THE MONITOR monitor. Look at this. This is the picture of mouse. Okay, now it has 2 or 3 buttons. Mouse के 2 or 3 buttons होते हैं. This one is left button, this one is right button and this one is scroll wheel. It helps us to draw pictures. जो mouse होता है उसके साथ आप लोग pictures को draw कर सकते हैं. It also add the item on the monitor. ये जो माउस होता है वो किसी भी आइकन को खोलने के लिए, किसी भी चीज़ को पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. नाउ योर लास्ट पार्ट, प्रिंटर. अ PRINTER printer IS is USED used TO2 TAKE take a PRINTOUT print out on PAPER paper. A printer is used to take a print out on a paper. इट मीन्स अगर आपने कोई भी पिक्चर या कोई भी आपने इसमें लेटर टाइप किया है, कुछ भी आपने इसमें टाइपिंग किया है, अगर आपको वो टाइपिंग जो है वो लेटर्स जो है वो चाहिए आपको, तो नाउ यू हैव टू यूज़ प्रिंटर. तब आप प्रिंटर यूज़ कर सकते हो. जो आपने लिखा है वो प्रिंट आउट करके आप पेपर पर निकाल सकते हो. नाउ दीज आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर. दिस इज़ योर चैप्टर, पार्ट्स ऑफ अ computer. You have to read this chapter. Okay, read this chapter, parts of a computer. Look at student, this is your back exercise. Your first question is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Your first question is a computer has keyboard with many keys. A computer has a keyboard with many keys. Okay, now your second question, there are alphabetically keys on computer 13 or 26? Yes, 26. Now a printer can the dash information. A printer can the dash information. Store or print? Answer is print. A dash is used to point at things on a computer. Answer is mouse. A monitor look like a TV. TV is a correct answer. TV is a right answer. Now student, your second question is fill in the blanks. Look at here. Your first question is dash is brain of a computer, CPU or mouse? CPU. Yes, CPU is the right answer. Now you have to write here. We can type alphabetically or numbers using the. We can type. अगर हमें typing करना है तो tell me which one we have used, keyboard or mouse? Yes, keyboard. Now you have to write KEY, key, BOARD, board, keyboard. Your third question is a dash is used to take print out on a paper. Is used to take print out on a paper. You have to use printer or monitor? Yes, printer. Write the spelling, PRINTOR, printer. Now look at here. Your next one is a mouse help us in pictures. A mouse help us इन पिक्चर्स, पिक्चर्स को क्या करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, ड्राइंग या राइटिंग, ड्राइंग, DRAWING, drawing. Look at your student, there are dash types of key on a keyboard. 3 types of key or 7 types of key? 3 types of key. First one is alphabetically key, second one is number keys, third one is special keys. Okay, now look at here student, write true false. A monitor look like a TV? True. Yes, monitor look like a TV. You can watch stories on a CPU? क्या आप स्टोरीज को CPU पर देख सकते हैं? You can see stories on a CPU? No, this line is false because CPU is the brain of a computer. A mouse is used to draw pictures? Yes, true. A mouse has 5 keys. Mouse की 5 keys होती हैं? No, this line is false. A mouse has only 3 buttons.